As part of the offering that we have in Matix, we holding the Gantt, the planning in the that connected to the production floor. We can see online how my job are acting, if they're going to finish on time that I planned for them, or that I will have some kind of a delay. It's really clear when we have a delay, and I know when it's the end time. I can know I know what is my um, time till the end of this job, including the setup time and the calendar event. If I have a holiday in the middle and I want to tell my end customer what will be his shipping date, then we're taking in consideration into all the calendar event, and I know how long the machine will be occupied because I have the specific time that the job is working without any setup and without any setup and any calendar event. In the Gantt, I can see I can zoom out to 1 year. I can do a collapsal, and then I will be able to see how my machine are acting, whether they are occupied, yes or no. I I can zoom out to the entire year and to collapse my entire machine and to see till when my machines are occupied, and if I have more capacity to enter more jobs or more work from any other customer. I can play with the zoom in and zoom out in zoom in till an hour and zoom out, as I said, till year. Um, I have a lot of information here in in the table. I can pretty much show every parameters that I would like. Um, I can add some notes, and it will be reflected also in the shop floor. I can see what is the start time, planned start time, what is the closing date, customer name, as much as I want parameters as I want. In the Gantt itself, I can create also dependencies. I can see here the arrow that put dependencies between one job to another. I can, of course, add more dependencies to any job. It can be default finish to start, start start to start, or finish to finish. Okay. Um, I can play with the loading if I want uh, to plan only for one department or several departments, so I can choose which department I want to see, and I'm of course can present the duration of each one of the job by the standard rate of of my cycle time, best performance, worst performance, average. We usually recommend to go by the standard time. We do have the ability to drag and drop if the planner want to come and see, okay, I'm working with this specific mold, and instead of having two setups, I will switch one job with another, and I will just drag and drop it, and it will be right after another. When we working and editing, I'm the Gantt is entering to a freeze mode. I can do whatever changes that I would like, and only when I'm saving the changes, it's applying to the rest of the system. The operator will see it. the production quote will see it. So I can play with it as much as I want, and I will see where I stand in the end of the ordering that I just made. And if I'm satisfied with the changes, then I will apply it. I can, of course, discard and undo every mint in the process. In terms of setting, I have a lot of option over here. The tooltip can be default or can be by column. When we're saying by columns, it means that the entire information that I have here on the table on the left will be reflected when I'm standing on the job on the Gantt itself. I will show it right now. Okay, so I see all the information that I have in the table. I can play with the label on the Gantt itself. It can be either product name, ERP job ID, catalog ID, and so on, as well as the leading information here on the left side on the table. It can be job ID, ERP job ID, whatever information that I would like, that I will select. We can export the information to Excel or to an image. It's depend how I would like it to how I would like to see it. We have additional two functions. The first one is search. I'm looking for a specific job. I would look with an ERP job ID, and I'm starting to click, and then it's highlighted, and I can see it in the Gantt itself. When I'm acting with the search function, it will show me the specific job in a context of the entire jobs that I have in the machine. When I'm filtering, and I'm adding a filter over here, it will show me, it will zoom in only for the specific job that I'm filtering for, without the external context that I have. Right now, I can see that only the job that I looked for and on which machine and the Gantt for it, okay? But I don't have the context for the entire machine and the entire department that I'm looking on. So this is the two functions that we have, the search and the filter. If I have jobs that can work on several machines and I still didn't assign the job, I want to assign it according to the capacity of the job. The first machine that is free, I would like to allocate this job to. So that means that I will go to the assign jobs, and I have here a list of jobs that still don't have a machine. They have a department. The information here show me on which machine those products can work. Okay, for example, this product can work on several machines. But if I will try to drag and drop it to a machine that is not part of his list, I will get an error. Okay, I will try to put it here. I'm getting an error that this product isn't matched to this machine type. An additional function that we have in the system is recommendation. If this product was already activated on one of the machine in the factory, I will get an information on the best performance, the worst performance, and the average performance. And in that way, I can decide on which machine I would like to put this job, this product, in order to get the best performance out of my scheduling. I can save my production plan, and by doing this, it will reflect also to the shop floor, to the job quote. I can do bulk action like approve recipe or remove from production, terminate or cancel job, or unassign machine. if I want to bring back one of the job here to the assigned job.